Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super exciting. You know by the title that what we are going to do today. I am going to react and try the makeup hacks told by Indian celebrities, Indian Bollywood celebrities. So the purpose of this video are two. Number one is to do a makeup session where I don't know where it's gonna go. I don't know. I'm gonna try different hacks. So I really don't know what look I'm going to achieve. So the uncertainty is something that I'm gonna enjoy. I'm gonna enjoy the process. And number two, I'm gonna see which hack works for me and which does not. So by the end of the video, I'm also going to rate these hacks. So without wasting any time, let's get started and let's see what makeup hacks by the Indian celebrity really works for us and what not. So I see a lot of Bollywood actress celebrities like Rashmika and Alia dipping their face in ice water before starting on with makeup. This reduces puffiness and redness on your face. तो अभी हम वो videos देखने वाले हैं and we'll try to do that.
Get ready with me.
Go!
Wait! Wait a second.
It's for my boomerang. 1, 2, 3, go.
So I literally dunk my face in ice. So here goes. And then I come up. And then I go back inside. Okay.
I'm gonna put all this ice in the bowl, in the tray kind of thing that I have. I don't have a fancy bowl. And I'm just gonna put my face in it and then come out. God, I'm so nervous. मेरे से ये सब नहीं होता यार. I'm just gonna dip my face. 1, 2, 3, go. उस एंगल से काफी अच्छे से आ नहीं रहा था. I'm gonna try again. Can't hold my breath. Can't hold my breath inside. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. You can just use a nice roller and just go in light motions here and there on your face and near your eyes, and puffiness उससे भी reduce हो जाएगी. Okay, moving further. Now just moisturizing my face before trying and reacting to another celebrity makeup hack. Oh, मेरा face अभी भी बहुत ठंडा हो रखा है. Alright, so the next hack is from Sharvari. She's doing her makeup with Vogue and उसी video से मैंने reference लिया है. So let's see what she tells about color correction.
Basically, whatever finger you're using, just like rub it across your thumb and just make sure that now your fingertips are really warm. And when that happens, apparently the product just sits really well. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay.
Alright, so let's try this one. Little bit warm हो रही है. I think उतना ही warm चाहिए. Apply some orange concealer corrector. Just gonna apply. क्या warm करने से product ही pick नहीं हो रहा है क्या? God. Oh, nice. I think it's way too much this side, so I'm gonna just shift a little bit here. I also saw the same thing done by Madhuri Dixit. While she was applying her concealer, she also was doing continuously like this. So I think that's something Bollywood celebrities, they do often. उनके makeup artists ऐसा करते होंगे warm करके, and there might be some science behind it. Maybe it is good, but I really can't define how good it is and what's the difference between warming your fingers before applying the corrector and not warming your fingers. So you do whatever suits you. So I'm sure we all have seen the concealer hack by Katrina Kaif, जो वो पूरा यहाँ से यहाँ तक लगाती हैं and then on the edges of the nose and then takes from somewhere here से यहाँ से and top लेके जाती हैं, giving that contour effect as well with the concealer only. So we're gonna see that. Try doing it on my face. I think उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा product लगता है, उतना product required नहीं है, but let's just see. Here, okay. goes like this, and then she goes like this. मेरे डार्क स्पॉट्स कवर ही नहीं हुए, मेरे एक्ने स्पॉट्स तो कवर ही नहीं हुए. Really not happy. It's better कि wherever there is some pigmentation on my skin where I really want it to be concealed while I'm doing makeup, I think I will go with the traditional way of applying concealer. Foundation hack, we are going to refer Tamanna Bhatia's video again for Vogue.
I'm going to be doing my base. And I want to mix it up with my moisturizer. Actually, this is a technique that I learned from the shoots that I've done and the photo shoots that I've done.
For that hydration and translucent look, we are going to take foundation and mix it up with moisturizer. I'm just taking 2 pumps of foundation, mixing with cream. I did this just now. I did this. No. So now my foundation smells like my moisturizer, the cream. And with my fingers only, I'm just gonna blend it all in. Na zyada foundation, smelling like my moisturizer. Oh god. I am not so happy with this. Yeah, it's done. One thing is for sure that my base is looking very dewy, that I'm really liking. As I said, I am liking the makeup, but I'm not liking the process. I'm just gonna set my base with translucent powder. I am going to do something that I had to do in the beginning only. That is taking this tip from Sonam Kapoor's video where she applies coconut on her lip.
I use coconut oil on my lips. It's this like really cool Indian
cheek color, but I take a healthy amount and I make like a C curve. Okay? And the trick here is to not stop it on the cheek. Go over my nose. Okay, go back C here. So it's actually like a W.
Well, the way she applies the blush, I also apply it the same way, but I just don't go in the W motion. I just definitely apply here, 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 everywhere. Let's do the W thing this time, but oh god, I will look joker, I'm sure. But ठीक है, करते हैं. So she uses a beauty blender to just drag it and perfect it, but I'm just gonna use my brush or my fingers because I'm not really a fan of beauty blender. You might have not seen me using beauty blender enough. I'm just gonna use a brush. So the W thing is not that bad. I really like it because this is how I usually do my blush, but yeah, in some areas it is definitely more, so you should be doing it the way you want it. Good one from my end. And it's just easy, just go in the motion and just blend it out. It's just good for me. So the next hack is for highlighter, and this I'm referring to Katrina Kaif's video, and she is telling like a very good highlighter hack which I really didn't know. I'm gonna show you here and then we'll do that.
Now is the highlighter. So with the K-Beauty Illuminating Highlighter, there's a little trick to this. Put a little bit of water on your brush. Tap it on the highlighter and go along where you want just a little bit of shine.
So I have a damp brush and a highlighter. Let's see what effects it gives. Oh damn, this one is good. I mean, seriously. Oh, that's good. Wow. Can you see this side? This is so good. Katrina knows what she's doing, as everybody say, and it's true, of course. Wow, just wow. Moving further, base is all set. It's time for the eyes look.
ये थोड़े थिकनेस आईब्रोज में अच्छे लगते हैं। तो पहले क्या करना है आपको, जस्ट ब्रश योर आईब्रोज ताकि आपका जो नेचुरल शेप है वो दिखने लगता है। देन यू स्टार्ट पुटिंग, जितना यू शुड ऑलवेज बिल्ड अप।
As Madhuri Dixit suggested, brush your eyebrows first. Now my eyebrows are not in shape because they are not made from quite some time. So it took me some time to build up the eyebrows, to give them the shape. But it's looking overall good. It's looking bushy, just like how Madhuri Dixit पूरा भर के eyebrows करती है. मैंने भी किया है, and I'm really liking it. So now we are going to see Janhvi Kapoor's makeup hack for eyeshadow.
And I feel like using a brown shadow underneath just makes it look softer and bigger and rounder. I'm gonna go in with a Nykaa highlighter. So I'm gonna go in with the darker one. I'm gonna put it on my eyelids.
So taking a brown eyeshadow, as she said that it makes your eyes look bigger and rounder, so just gives a nice look. I'm gonna apply in the lower lash line. Yeah, it really gives that shadowy effect. It really looks good. I've never tried this, but yeah, अच्छा लग रहा है. I can do this often also with a no makeup look. It would definitely make my eyes look bigger and rounder. Yeah, it's a good one. लगे हाथ में highlighter ही लगा लूंगी आज instead of eyeshadow. Though I have a highlighting eyeshadow, but ठीक है, we are trying to do what Indian celebrities and actresses are doing, so I'm gonna do that only. I think I can use a little bit more colored shimmer on my eyes because I like it that way. But this hack was really good. Yeah. So I don't really have any mascara hack from any celebrity. So I'm just gonna apply mascara and come back and see what has to be done for my lips. Really think that this look needs mascara and then the eye makeup will really come together. So for the last thing for my lipstick, I'm gonna refer to Sonam Kapoor's video and I'm gonna show you exactly how she did her red lips.
I feel I can conquer the world when I wear red lips. It just makes me feel so good. See, the coconut oil actually lets my lip color go on nicely. Usually a lot of the lip balms kind of don't let you use lip color as effectively. So I use a little bit of it and it makes my lips really nice.
I'm also going to do red lips today, which is so unlike me, but ठीक है, आज try करते हैं. Actually मैंने पहले भी try किया है, but it's not a usual thing that I do. मुझे बहुत courage इकट्ठा करना पड़ता है for doing a red lip, even today. Let's see how it goes. And the makeup is done. This is the look. I have tried so many hacks in this video. I don't think so that itna effort मैं on a regular basis डालती हूँ in doing my makeup. There are two hacks that I really liked in particular, and I think you know it, but still I'm gonna say the number one is the highlighter. Look at that glow, look at that shine here. I mean, I really love it. The second hack that I really liked was from Janhvi Kapoor, which was applying a brown liner in the lower lash line and applying a highlighter or shimmery shade on top, and it really made my eyes look bigger and beautiful. So it is good. The third one is like I'm just adding it for the sake of adding it because I want to tell you the top three that I like. The third one is filling up my eyebrows completely because it is really giving that look, that definition to my face, and yeah, it just worked for me. So I really liked that one. Hack that I didn't like at all was definitely the concealer one. It just didn't work. I mean, it didn't hide my blemishes and dark spots, so what's the point of applying all the way like this? I'm not really impressed with applying so much of product on my face. So that's it. That is it for this video. I really like the look. कोई आइडिया नहीं था, इतनी 4-5 वीडियोस से उठा के कुछ ना कुछ किया था. मुझे नहीं लगा था कि एक पूरा लुक इससे इतने अच्छे तरीके से क्रिएट हो जाएगा. आई एम रियली लाइकिंग द रेड लिप्स. इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग माई ब्लू कलर का कपड़ा. Thoroughly enjoyed making this video and I hope you will thoroughly enjoy watching this video. So if you have stayed till here and if you have watched the video, please care to like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.